Okay, well, we need code in the... Sorry, that's my dog. We need code in the running section here, where we're moving, so that if, as we're traveling, we walk over a pit, basically, then we need to fall. So, you could say, if a... tile a b minus 1 does not... Well, let's see here. Equals 0. I'm just going to say equals 0 here. Then action equals 3. I think we should also do if b2 is less than 0, then action equals 3. What this would do is when they were on the ladder, and even though we don't have climbing set, the basic principle will work the same as how he could jump up each rung of the ladder. So technically what's happening is the higher, if he's up above the ground on the tile, on the ladder, the B2 value is negative. It's how many pixels up he's shifted. If he runs off the ladder, he might still be on a tile, technically he might still be on a tile that is right above the ground, but he's shifted up. And he should fall as a result of that shift. So let me see if that works. Okay, I did something wrong. Big time. Let's change that. If I'm going to comment out this one and see if that's the one causing trouble. Nope. That is not the one causing trouble. I'm going to do this one. Okay. Somehow this one is our problem. What's wrong with it? Oh, B plus 1. The one below us. Okay, typo. It was looking in the wrong direction. So, if I jump up a couple spots and run off, I should fall. Alright. Even if I'm only up a little bit. He's not... Let's see here. Oh, it's because we're still on the ladder. Doesn't know how to fall off the ladder, basically. So I need to say if where are we at? This one. If it equals 0, then we fall. And let's see, what else would we have? Let's see. Oh, okay. If B2 is less than 0 and tile AB does not equal a ladder. Let's just say that. What is ladder? 2. Because I'm trying to think how a good way to explain that. When he's on the ladder, even if he's only a couple rungs up, he should still be able to run sideways and then fall off. Now you see he stopped. I don't want him to stop like that. Why is he stopping? Let's try this again. Starting to run. Okay, he's falling off the right way there. Here he's just stopping, and I want to know what causes him to stop. Let's see, what would that be? I want to find out which code is running when that happens. So what I'm going to do is put, oops, I gotta shut this down. I'm going to put a stop command in each one of these places. Stop will stop the code when it runs it, or when it runs into that exact situation. So, let's see. I go up a little bit, now I run off the end. This is the one doing it. Action equals 3. Oh, and it's... So he starts to fall, but then I'm guessing he stops falling because he's on ladder. And ladder happens to be tile of 2. So where's falling at? I just need to update that. If tile does not equal 0 and does not equal 3. There we go. I want to see if this fixes it. Or it should have been 2. Sorry, 2. At least I caught the typo now. Now, if I go up a little bit, he should be able to run. He's still stopping. Alright. So I don't have that right. I'm going to get rid of that. You know, maybe I should leave this alone until we have the ladders working, because this could just be an issue that will dissolve on its own once he's able to properly move up and down ladders. Kind of getting ahead of myself here. So what are the actions for that? 7 is climb, and tile being 2 is a ladder. So here's what we're going to do. If we have key up, where's our key up? That's 38. If action equals 0, okay, this is saying jump. So I need to add something. I'm going to put this all in quotes because it's its own section. That's all good the way it is. We've got ors in there. So I'm going to say if tile AB does not equal 2 and. So that way he's only going to jump if he's not at a ladder. If tile AB equals 2 and I'm going to put all this, because it should be the same idea. You can't start climbing if you're, you know, currently in pain or something else. Then action equals 7. Yeah, this one does have animations to it though. Action will equal 7. Let's jump on out to the draw hero. We'll throw in action equaling 7. It's always good to have this so that we can tell at a glance that it's at least doing something. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 are going to be our spots. So we can say temp A equals 13 plus, I'm just going to say plus A and I. Integer A and I. Okay. If I've told you guys earlier that this is a good habit, I should stick with it, I guess. So let's see. Here I jump because I'm not at a ladder, but if I happen to be on a ladder when I do it, at least the picture changed. He's not climbing, but the picture changed. So where should we put code in here? Into timer. It's going to be very similar to how we were falling and able to control our left and right. It's going to be the same kind of idea. In fact, it's going to be so similar, I'm actually just going to take and copy that. Let's see, if action equals 7, right? Then this is up and down ladder. And if. Alright, I've just pasted it in that section. Just going to get rid of the tabs. Okay. So I got rid of too many tabs. Put one more in. I know this is not necessary, but there we go. I just want to make it look good. Alright, if not right key, but if up key, no wait, down key. I'll do down key first and I'll do up key here. Equals 1. Then I can ignore the direction thing because there's no directions for up and down at this point. We say B2 is B2 plus 5, and we say A2 is A2, or B2 is B2 minus 5. Same kind of idea that we had before, where this is going to be B plus 1. I'm just shifting some stuff around. Basically, I'm replacing all the A's with B's because it's going to be exactly the same idea. Wait, do I need all of this? Well, timer's going off. The colliding and hitting a wall. Let's see here. Let's see, this part. This is colliding. Technically we should put that in case you hit a ceiling or hit the ground, but I'm going to save the video first.